Tulsi, Tulasi, or the Holy Basil is the queen of herbs and is a sacred plant in the Hindu belief. The leaves of Tulsi plant are important in worship. Hindus worship it in the morning and evening. The presence of Tulsi plant symbolizes the religious bent of a Hindu family. A Hindu household is considered incomplete if it doesn't have a Tulsi plant in the courtyard. Many families have the Tulsi planted in a specially built structure called the Tulsi Manch. This has images of deities installed on all four sides and an alcove for a small earthen oil lamp. So today I'm going to spend few hours to make this Tulsi Manch from free pallet woods. For this simple DIY project we need pallet wood, hammer, chisel, knife, nails, measuring tape, protective equipments like gloves, glasses and face mask, pencil, hand saw and paint of your choice. Let's start by dismantling a pallet. I'm going to use 2 hammers to dismantle the pallet and collect all the wood I need for this project. My aim is to reuse all the nails used in building this pallet, so I'm going to save them and keep them aside. I'm going to complete this project in 5 stages. In stage 1, I'm going to cut and assemble the 3 identical sides that will be used for the 2 sides and the back of the unit. Then I'll assemble the front bit which will have an alcove in it for the earthen lamp. Next I'll cut and assemble the top and the bottom section of the munch. After that I'll cut and attach the top wings to the top of the unit. And finally I'll finish the project by polishing and painting the unit. Using the hand saw and with proper measurements in mind, I'm going to cut all the wood that is required for building this project. After spending almost an hour, I have all the pieces ready in front of me. So let's first start by assembling the 3 identical sides. Once the sides are ready, I'll put together the front bit which will have the alcove for the earthen lamp. Alright, so now we have all the 4 sides ready in front of me. It's time for me to join them all together. So this is how it looks like after joining all the 4 sides. Now it's time for me to measure and cut the wooden planks required for creating the top and the bottom section of the unit. I'm cutting the edges in 45 degrees angle to give it a nicer look. After joining the top and the bottom section, I'm going to sand the unit to give it a smoother look. Painting becomes so easy when the wooden surface is properly sanded. Now the final bit. Let's measure the top section properly to find out how many wings are required for the top bit. Once we have the proper measurement, we just need to cut them out of the pallets and attach them to the top of the unit. I'll also be installing few blocks of wood around the alcove to give it a nicer look. Look at that, the project is almost complete. Now it's time for me to apply the wood primer and leave it overnight to dry properly. You know what? I was so excited to complete this project that I applied the brown paint early in the morning and forgot to record it. Anyways, now that I have the box completely painted, it's time for me to show my artistic skills on it. I would sincerely like to thank my mom for teaching me drawing and painting when I was a young boy. Because of you, I am who I am today. To the world, you might be just one person, but to me, you are the world. Thank you for everything, Dad and Mom. I have about 100 pallets lying around and have more time than money to bring my house to life. So this project took me 2 days and lot of my free time, but I hope you'll enjoy the final product. Do let me know how you think this is by dropping a like and comment below. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope it helps you. If you want to support me, you can subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thanks. See you again in my next video. Bye now.